What's up guys, my name's Alex, and in this video I just want to show you guys my main product research method, something that has allowed me to bring multiple brands from $0 to $100,000 a month and beyond. Now I do want to mention that this is a paid method, but I'm going to spend the next few minutes talking to you guys about why it's worth every penny. Such a small investment to make into your business, but it can make the world of a difference. So let's jump into my laptop and talk about product research. Okay, so you guys might have heard of AdSpy in the past, and this is essentially the same thing. This is called Dropify. So basically it's the same thing as AdSpy, but in my opinion, much better and much more affordable. So there's a ton of cool features up at the top, and if you can see right here under my folders, you can actually save some of your favorite ads to go back and revisit. There's also a ton of filters and criteria that you can actually choose to go ahead and view these ads. And if we click right here, you can look at dropshipping, last seen winning products, high engagement. You can also go over here, you can go post creation date, first seen, the different likes and reactions and everything like that. But what this does is it scrolls through Facebook and it finds what your competitors are doing. Now I know in the beginning, paid products aren't ideal for you guys' stores, but the amount of value this provides and all of the time it can save you in the process is worth all of it in my opinion. Now if you're in a specific niche or something and you want to find specific keywords to search by, you can go ahead and just click on filters. And there's a ton of different areas that you can choose on here, but I like to go ahead in the text search and I'll search for a product that I'm currently selling, and I'll just look at what my competition's doing. Now this allows you to find new products as well as stay above your competition, see what they're doing, what's working for them, and you can adjust and do it on your own stores. So say you want to sell necklaces, you can go ahead and just type in the word necklace like I did up on here, and you can see what other stores are currently selling with the keyword necklace in their ads. So you can just scroll through here, you can see some nice photo ads, some video ads, and what's working for other stores. Now it actually has the engagement on the bottom, the actual post creation date, and everything else to do with that. But it's just a great way to find and test new products. So I know in the past few of my videos I've talked about the high pressure washer. Let's go ahead and look that up in this AdSpy tool and see what other stores are currently doing with that, because I've showed you some of my own previous video ads, so let's see what other stores are putting together. So just looking right away, this is the exact same product that we were selling in the past. And we see these two different stores selling the same thing using similar video ads, but you can just go ahead and see what other competitors are doing. Say you want to get a store ready and you want to sell some products for Valentine's Day. Well, you don't already have a product, but you need some ideas. Well, you can go ahead and type that in the keywords and you can actually find products around that as well. So this is a great way of staying up to date with trends, finding what's up and coming, and staying above your competition, as I've mentioned already. Now I just wanted to show you guys the basics around this tool. It is one of the greatest tools out there for finding winning products and just seeing what your competitors are doing overall. And it gives you a great advantage in the world of e-commerce. I'll go ahead and link it in the description, but I do just want to say I am in no way affiliated with this brand, so I won't make any commissions if you guys go ahead and buy this product. But I do recommend it myself. I use it every single day and it's helped out my brands tremendously. Now I know I didn't go into too much detail on this video, but I just wanted to show you guys the spy tool that I use every single day and just give a kind of a basic overview of it. I hope you guys can get the same value out of it that I do. If this video helped you out in any way, go ahead and drop a like to help me out and subscribe, as there's plenty more to follow. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below, and you're welcome to check out either one of those. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.